Hello, everyone. In this segment, I'll show you how to use props in React components to make them dynamic and reusable. For those who are new to React, props, short for properties, are a way to pass data from one component to another. They are similar to function arguments and can make your components flexible and powerful. Let's get started. Step 1. Modify the app component to pass props. Open the app.jsx file in your src directory. This is the main component of our application. We're going to pass some data to our header component using props. At the top of the file, import the header component if you haven't already. Then, inside the header tag, add a title attribute and set it to a string value, like "Welcome to my React app." Step 2. Modify the header component to accept props. Open the header.jsx file in your components folder. We're going to modify this component to accept the title prop we just passed. Props allow us to pass data from a parent component to a child component. Update the header function to accept an argument called props. Then, replace the hard-coded text inside the h1 tag with props.title. Step 3. Adding more props. Props are not limited to just one value. You can pass multiple props to a component. Let's add a subtitle prop to our header component. First, update the app.jsx file to pass a subtitle prop to the header component. Add the subtitle attribute to the header tag and set it to a string value, like "Learn React with Fun Tutorials." Next, update the header component to accept the subtitle prop and display it in an h2 tag below the h1 tag. Props can be of different types, including strings, numbers, arrays, objects, functions, and even other components. For example, you can pass a number to a count prop, an array to a list prop, or a function to an onclick prop. In your header component, you can access these props just like the title and subtitle props. Step 4. Start the development server. To see your updated component in action, open your terminal and run npm run dev or yarn dev. Once the server is running, open your browser and go to http localhost 5173. You should see your header with both the title and subtitle displayed. And that's it. We've successfully used props to make our React component more dynamic and reusable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.